Apology for the confusion. I'm really very sorry. All right, I was unable to actually try out that code before putting out the video, and that is due to the glitch that is with Hamster Combat app. So I'm really sorry, and please just take apology from me. All right, the code for tonight is ETH, standing for Ethereum or Ethereum, whichever way you call it. All right, so the first letter is E, which is a short. So we have to activate this first. So I click on short, which is E. You can see we have that already, while the other one is T, which is long, and the last one is H, which is for short. Alright, so that has been claimed. So I'm really sorry for the confusion. I know most of you out there, you really trust on my videos, and for me to have put out that video without testing it, I really have to apologize to you all. I'm really sorry. Please, if you have subscribed to my channel, I say thank you for that. And if you are yet to subscribe, please click on the subscribe button. And if you have any issue, any complaint regarding anything, please just visit my Telegram group. Drop your question there. I will do good to attend to your question. I love you all. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful night rest.